Hello! You were not expecting me, were you? I will be today's host in my German recipe cooking show, and today we're making Sahnelikör Käsekuchen, which is a no-bake cheesecake without the cheese. Let's get started. My name is Lilith Max, and today I hijacked my mom's cooking show just to make this cake. You guys might also know me as Anna from Call of Duty World War II, and yes, I'm an actress, but I mostly sing, so you can find anything about me on the internet. So the ingredients today will be chocolate cookies, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, 5% Greek yogurt, heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract. Now, this would usually be Sahnelikör, but since I'm only 16, we're going to stick to vanilla extract, and brown sugar and soft butter. So our first step is to make the base of the cake. I've already melted the butter, and now I'm going to destroy these cookies until they become crumbs. Alright. There you go. Ooh. And now we stir. Okay, and now we pour this into the base of the cake. Alrighty, and spread it around. Cover every part of it. And once you do this, gently press down on it. Alrighty, step 1 complete. This goes into the fridge for 1 hour. The next step is to melt this chocolate here. We're going to put it over this pot of water and put it on the stove. What we must be careful of is that the water in this pot does not touch this bowl. Meanwhile, while the chocolate is melting, we're going to be mixing this Greek yogurt with this brown sugar. Alrighty. Okay. I set this aside now. I'll continue with whipping the cream. Alrighty. Now we are going to add this whipping cream and our brown sugar yogurt together in a giant bowl. So, right. Alrighty. Ooh, look at that melted chocolate. Delicious. Okay, next we are going to mix these two together. Ow. Heiss. Safety first. Put those gloves on. Let me take the spoon out. Delicious. And dip it in. Nice. Okay. Oh no, I got a little on here, but it's not too bad. Time for the mixing to begin. Now you have to make sure that you keep the fluffiness in this, so I'm just gonna stir it, kind of going from the bottom to the top. Oh, this looks so delicious. Okay. Okay, we're going to add in the vanilla extract now. It's about almost a tablespoon. There you go. And finally, it's time to assemble the cake. I took the base out of the fridge, and now it's finally firm, so we're going to add in the rest of the cake. I'm really struggling here. I feel like you need a whole team to actually put this cake in here. This is highly difficult for me. I'm not qualified for this. I write songs. I do not make cake. Okay, now we finally spread it around nice and evenly. That looks breathtaking. Okay, we're gonna put this into the fridge for 2 hours. The cake has been in the fridge for almost 2 hours, which is why we're going to get started on decorating. You're going to need 150 grams of heavy whipping cream, a half packet of stabilizer, and this is optional. You can have a bit of powdered sugar just to give it a bit more sweetness. So we're going to mix these two. First, I'm going to mix the heavy whipping cream, and then I'm going to add these two ingredients later on. Alrighty, let's add in those two ingredients. So a half packet of stabilizer, alright, and some powdered sugar. Perfect. Now we're going to fill the whipping cream into the piping bag. Alrighty, there you have it. Wow, that is a gorgeous cake. Now we're going to cut it. So we're using this knife because this is kind of sticking to the mold and we don't want that when we're going to take it out, which is why we're going to carefully cut all the way at the edge, like so. Okay. Nice. Okay. Wow, I want to eat it right now, but I'm going to have to keep my calm because now we're going to decorate it. So I take my piping bag. I have no idea how to do this. I'm just gonna kind of squish it in there because I'm not my mom and I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. I'll start off slowly over here. I'm going to turn it slightly. Ooh, okay. Now for the final challenge. Here we go. I'm going to add a few flowers on the sides. And you can decorate it any way you want. I just really like this design. Okay, and what we need most importantly on every cake, sprinkles. So I have a few chocolate sprinkles over here. I think I'm going to take my little cup and gently put them in space between the flowers. Perfect. I think I'm gonna slightly smooth down some of these edges, but I think else it's almost finished. This is the finished product of our chocolate cheesecake we made today. Thank you for joining me as I hijack my German recipes today, and I hope you enjoy your cake as much as I will, because I know this will be delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes! Wait, it's like, hit that like button, click that subscribe. Oh wait, no, it's like, hit that like button. It's like, no, it's like this, Mom. You gotta do it like this. Hit that like button, click that subscribe icon, and bang that bell. and punch, no, it's like, click that like button, click that subscribe icon, and and punch that, and click that like button, hit that and punch, okay. Click that like button, hit that subscribe icon, and punch that bell. And please enjoy my music. Okay, I'm gonna go now.